China is increasing scrutiny on indium exports, a niche metal crucial for next-generation data centers. This move raises concerns among buyers about potential new export controls, which could impact global supply chains.
Well, that's certainly a strategic move by Beijing. A recent review identified 8 U.S. jurisdictions where regulatory trends could lead to significant market shifts. These states to watch have ongoing proceedings, particularly concerning affordability, which may impact various industries.
Keeping an eye on those states will be important. Asia's stock market boom appears set to continue, with strategists expressing particular optimism. Experts are more bullish on South Korea's market prospects compared to Taiwan.
Mark Zandi, Moody's Analytics chief economist, criticizes Fed Chair Kevin Warsh's communication strategy, predicting increased bond market volatility. Despite concerns, Warsh's hawkish stance is seen as a positive sign for the Fed's independence.
That's quite a strong opinion from Mr. Zandi. According to Morgan Stanley Investment Management, markets must adapt to a new Federal Reserve direction under Chair Kevin Warsh. Warsh reportedly seeks less central bank communication and a reduced market footprint.
A U.S.-Iran peace deal and partial oil flow resumption are easing near-term inflation risks, particularly for Asian central banks. This allows countries like Taiwan and India to potentially delay monetary tightening, though caution remains.
A U.S.-Iran peace framework caused oil prices to sharply drop, reducing inflation fears and boosting sensitive sectors. The Federal Reserve held rates, but Chair Kevin Warsh's hawkish message drove Treasury yields higher.
That's a lot of big news for 1 week. Red-hot Asian markets, driven by the global success of AI-related companies, are attracting widespread investor interest. South Korea, Taiwan, and Japan are experiencing a surge in market participation.
When even the kids are investing, you know things are wild. Japan's consumer inflation held steady in May, maintaining its previous levels. Economists are noting that the full impact of higher global oil prices has not yet been reflected in these figures.
Progress on a U.S.-Iran peace deal overshadowed hawkish signals from Federal Reserve Chair Kevin Warsh, providing market relief. The unexpected diplomatic breakthrough is currently a stronger market driver.
Japan's core inflation remained steady in May, aligning with market expectations. This stability persists despite ongoing concerns surrounding global energy prices and their potential impact.
Jim Cramer suggests that next week's market focus will shift to key economic data, given a lighter earnings calendar. He believes falling oil prices could alleviate inflation and support future Fed rate cuts.
Fox Business host Larry Kudlow suggests that falling inflation could usher in a period of rising prosperity. He also discusses President Trump's policies and the economic impact of the Iran situation.
Memory stocks are experiencing their best year on record, yet some analysts question their current valuations. The sector has a historical cycle of demand surges, oversupply, and price corrections.
The tech world is full of interesting patterns, isn't it? The U.S. dollar reached its highest level in over a year, following investor reactions to the Federal Reserve's meeting. The meeting revived expectations for potential future interest rate increases, strengthening the dollar.
Stocks rallied and gas prices declined as the U.S. and Iran advanced toward a peace deal. The Nasdaq notably gained nearly 2%, reversing its previous day's losses.
J.P. Morgan. Asset Management's Bob Michel views the bond market as an appealing investment opportunity. He shared insights on the future of rate hikes and the Federal Reserve's actions.
The U.S.-Iran Memorandum of Understanding eased oil prices and boosted markets, despite concerns about its preliminary terms. Significant risks remain due to the non-final nature of the agreement and regional opposition.
Sounds like there's still a lot to unpack there. Ed Yardeni, president of Yardeni Research, describes new Fed Chair Kevin Warsh as a hawk acting like a dove. He discusses how Warsh's actions are currently impacting market dynamics.
The stock market rally continues, seemingly undeterred by concerns about potential Federal Reserve rate hikes later this year. Investors are prioritizing strong corporate fundamentals and economic health.
It's good to see investors finding confidence in the economy. The U.S.-Iran Memorandum of Understanding outlines a ceasefire, reopening the Strait of Hormuz, and financial relief for Iran. This preliminary agreement has triggered market relief, but signals the beginning of complex negotiations.
Wall Street saw a strong rally today, with tech shares leading gains following the U.S.-Iran interim deal. This agreement also contributed to a significant drop in oil prices.
A really strong day for the market, especially tech. Federal Reserve Chairman Kevin Warsh's debut press conference caused a surge in interest rate hike bets. His clear stance against high inflation significantly impacted the bond market, signaling potential moves.
Artificial intelligence remains a dominant theme in the market, with investors actively seeking top AI storage stocks. This sector is identified as a key trade for the current year and beyond.
Everyone wants a piece of that AI pie. As AI hype intensifies, investors are shifting their focus beyond semiconductor chips to identify the next major tech innovation. The market seeks revolutionary advancements similar to the impact of SpaceX.